1/8" diameter. Doing a series of pad welds here to fill it up. Wire running on our W2 Wire Welding Stick. A couple smoke collectors collecting the smoke on it. Running it on a Dimension 652 power source. 32 volts. 285 inches per minute of wire. 90 argon and CO2. Just running smoothly along here. I'll hold the picture. We'll complete the pad weld. You get to see a little bit of welding, or excuse me, peening and needle gun. Stopped there in the middle of the pad for something. I'm not sure exactly what. Maybe it was getting too hot, starting to run away off the front of the puddle. I got you on video here, Rob. I'll watch you keep it going while you needle gun and peen it. Hot day in August here. Come over here and get a good quick picture of the